Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. You join me down at the storage yard. It's a lovely sunny day, thank goodness, because it's not clickbait. We do have a leak in the caravan. Now, I could have done a thumbnail of me going, shock, horror, like all the motorhome channels do these days, but I decided I was going to go with something a little bit more playful, and I hope you like the thumbnail. Yes, it's leaking, and can you guess what it is? Yes, you're right. It's the sunroof. It's got a crack. A few weeks ago, we were away at Piper's Heights and I noticed some condensation between the panes, and I just thought it was due to the cold weather. However, when we went away again, we were in the caravan and we had a torrential rainstorm while we were away. And a few days later, Juliet noticed that we had an actual aquarium developing inside the panes of the two laminates. So I did some investigation and sure enough, we've got a crack. It's halfway up on the right hand side. There it is, and it's quite a wide one too. So today what I'm going to be doing is a temporary fix, and I'll be having a little chat to you about where we go from here. Do we repair? Do we sell on as is? Or do we just walk away altogether? Because I'm really getting fed up at this moment in time and I have very little confidence in Swift, but that's for another time. Okay, so to do this temporary repair, we've got some Gorilla Tape, the waterproof stuff, which is the patch and seal. Pair of scissors. Now, I've gone for a 4mm drill bit because we're going to have to drill a hole at the end of the crack to prevent it from spreading any further. Now, I did look online and do a little bit of research, and based on the size and width of the crack, 4mm should do it. Okay, so I've drilled a hole. It looks like it's slightly off skew, but the crack does curve slightly. And I've actually gone to the other end as well, and I've done the other end. See if I can find it for you. There we go. See if it'll focus in. So now the holes are drilled. So here it is, all patched up. Doesn't look pretty, but it's stuck down quite firm, and I'm hoping that's going to last. I think I'm going to be keeping this Gorilla Tape in the caravan just in case. But for now, fingers crossed, it's going to do its job. Well, folks, that's how I have temporarily patched the crack on the sunroof. It's not a pretty sight, but I'm hoping that it's going to keep the water from in between the panes and prevent us getting an aquarium like we've got at this moment in time. Speaking of that, in the next update video, I will be showing you how I'm going to do that. I've ordered a few parts. It's going to be a little bit Heath Robinson, but nonetheless, I'm going to have a go at it because I can't be driving around and towing with that sloshing around. Now, where do we go from here? Well, we understand that the caravan is still covered under warranty. And with that in mind, Juliet and I have decided that we're going to put a claim in for the warranty to have this replaced. Now, I did approach my dealer and I did speak to them, and I'm not prepared to discuss what he said at this moment in time, but that will be in an update because I'm casting around for someone else at this moment in time. So that gives you a clue. So thank you very much for watching. From a very fed up, sad and peed off Phil, bye for now.